tractor runs and drives good. We had an ice storm here in the past, well, we had it last night and the day before, so there is some, ice like on these pallets in these pictures. But as you can hear, everything's running good. Drives forward and back great. I don't know of anything wrong with it.